in Megala Bangala because just this would be the second part. Do not watch this one buange. Wonke umuntu abe satisfied. Shukuthi lo oyedwa kumele ahlale I break it down opinion yakhe ukuthi ifavorisha abantu mase yena as a leader abe based on abantu. Shukuthi leadership is being taken from a prime being ozoba yena leader ibeka kwabantu. Lokho futhi kusa right futhi up until abantu bebe nama different opinions. Shukuthi manje out of laba abantu abawu-100 abantu abawu-40 bayabelieve kwi-equal distribution yokudla, abantu abawu-20 ababelieve kuyona, babelieve ukuthi ama-elders neziguli kumele zidle kuqala mase laba abasebenzayo kube bona abadla after. Mase kuba khona ababelieve ukuthi okay laba ama-leaders kumele kube yiwona be-taken care of, kumele kudle wona kuqala, and then mase laba ababelieve in equal distribution sebibona bane-dominant. Nje bengabe bene-dominant, i-politician isizokwenza njani-ke manje? Isizothatha isizohamba iyokhuluma engazi ukuthi yona i-idea yayo ukuthi wonke umuntu athole equal distribution. Shukuthi ngenxa yokuthi i-majority i-based on yona, shukuthi i-leadership uzoyihola ukuthi athola abantu abane-idea abaningi than abantu abanalama ideas akudala noma ideas abheke eceleni. Shuthi manje i-leader, the prime leader le ezoba presidential, yona isizothatha ama-basic ideas awo wonke umuntu mase i-majority mase iya-applya into eyakhe basic idea of leadership. Shuthi manje-ke isezokuba compromised. Labantu laba abawu-50 bazomcompromise ukuthi yena sebe ne-basic idea. Mind you, necessarily akadingi yena ukuthi abe naleyo idea yena personally, akadingi ukuthi abe naleyo idea, esangabadayisela ukuthi uyabelieve kuleyo idea.